Rolling Stone, also known as Enflé, how to play. The object of this 4-player game is to be the first player to get rid of all the cards in your hand. Remove the 2s through 6s from a standard deck of playing cards, as they will not be used. Aces are high and 7s are low. Pick someone to be the dealer. The dealer shuffles and deals 8 cards to each player. Players look at their cards, but keep them hidden from their opponents. The player left of the dealer goes first and places any card from their hand face up on the table. Then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, you must play 1 card of the same suit that was led. If you are unable to follow suit, then instead of playing, you pick up all the cards in the middle and add them to your hand. Then you lead the next play. If play gets back to the original player and everybody followed suit, then the player who played the highest card wins the trick and collects the cards face down next to them. Then they lead the next play. The first player to get rid of all the cards in their hand wins. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Check out playingcarddex.com for an awesome variety of playing cards, and be sure to use my promo code TSG for 10% off your entire order.